everybody, and welcome back to the channel. It is Mike here, the FPV Evil Monkey, and today I'm making a new video. I haven't made a flight video in a couple weeks. I just haven't really been all that motivated to fly since this whole quarantine debacle and everything like that. So anyway, so I built a new brushless tiny whoop. So as you can tell, it's got the same frame, the same props I'm using. The only difference in this one is that this is the BetaFPV 1S Lite Brushless Silverware board. And this is the same board, but this is the version 2. So as you can see the difference, this one was the all black version, and this one is kind of like a orange, yellowish color or something like that. The other difference too that I did change is this one I'm running the 0603 1500 or 15,000 kV for smooth juice. This one I had some extra motors left over, and these are the 0803. These are the 17,500. These are the Moose Juice motors, both tiny whoop motors. And I did change cameras because they're not selling this camera anymore. So this is the Turbo Wing Cyclops version 2, and this is the Cadex Firefly camera. So definitely I'm gonna check those out. So other than that, that's pretty much it. The same exact frame, same kind of canopy, everything. I also went into the PIDs and I changed the PIDs on this one to match this one. So we'll see how much better it flies. If it's any better, it's any good. I had really good luck with this original board. I know a lot of people had issues with the original Silverware board that BetaFPV came out with. So I think that's why. I don't know exactly what they changed on here. I don't know if they made the sensor better or what they did exactly. I'm not sure. So we'll give it a little flight around the house. We'll see how it does, and I'll give you my opinions when I get back. Alright guys, so thanks for watching the video there. So I'm impressed, still impressed with the Silverware board. I'm liking it a lot. The 0803 17,500 kV motors, these have a lot more horsepower to them. It's not a ton of horsepower, but it's definitely noticeable. So I don't think I was quite as smooth, and I haven't honestly flown probably in almost 2 weeks now. So I'm a little bit rusty. I haven't been racing or anything like that. Just messing around on the sims and things like that. So I decided to get my butt off and get a whoop up in the air. So I'm still pretty impressed by this board. If you want it, they sell it at numerous places. I got this at getfpv.com, but you can order from the BetaFPV website, or there's a ton of different places you can get it. It's pretty inexpensive. I think it was like only 30 bucks. and I got it pretty cheap. So yeah, I'm impressed with the version 2. It's not bad. So again, here's the original version 1 over here on the left, and here's the version 2. And again, I'm not sure exactly. I couldn't tell by looking at the board, you know, what they changed exactly. There's not a whole lot you can find on their website or anything like that. Everything was the exact same to bind it and everything like that. And as a matter of fact, when I go into my models on my Taranis, I can operate either one of these on the same model, which is kind of cool. So I don't have to create a whole nother model or anything like that. So that's really cool. So far I'm impressed. Like I said, exact, almost identical setups. The only difference is this is the version 2, this is the version 1, and then the motors, of course. These are 0603, 15,000, and these are 15,000, and these are 0802, 17,500. So smooth juice versus moose juice. I did fly this one again too, and I feel a little bit smoother with this one, but I think with a little bit more time and a little bit more flying with this one, I could be just as smooth with this one. So I don't know, that's yet to be told. We'll see, you know, once the whole quarantine is done and everything like that, we can get back to our normal life and get out and fly again. So I'm going to try and start making more videos for you guys, just because I don't want you to get bored and go away from my channel. So thank you guys for watching my channel. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Make sure to stay safe out there, guys. And in the meantime, while you're waiting for my next video, let's keep our drones up in the air, flying high. I'll talk to you guys later. Have an awesome day.